What did you take away from Guido's retreat?
Well, there was a lot, but most important for me was that I felt that I connected to my God within, to my higher self, got rid of my limitations, and yes, I can do it,
And just the peace of mind and how to just continue the happiness living from now on.
Well, I think that ultimately that's a big step in increasing my level of happiness. That's for sure.
Change can be easy. That's something I never would have said before.
It's gonna change everything. It's gonna be. I have so much more. I have to say confirmation, and with a strength in it, that my life is gonna take like a, shift, and it makes me really so grateful.
And with Guido, I think the way he puts things really drove things home for me. So, a lot of the times during the seminar, he was saying things that it's not that I hadn't heard similar ideas before or whatever, but how he communicates them, how he drives them home really worked for me.
So I arrived here at Guido's seminar with 5 expectations. Some of them really, really tough, deep, and I thought, I have struggled with them for a long time. I have realized the resolution of all 5, to my utmost surprise.
Well, I take away the permission I give myself to work and to live with a more emotional freedom.
I promised myself I'm going to use my tools every day, and it was a lot of tools, and a big toolbox, easy, funny to do it. And yeah, I'm going to step into my power and
work for me. And the tools. I love having something to hold on to, something tangible, something that can literally just, delve into my bag and use.
I would say all the good framework for continuous growth and all the learning around the forgiveness and gratitude. And
when I entered the room, I started to shift because the energy was so light, and there was I could almost touch the lightness. So I felt suddenly safe, and my worry and my fear started to move away from me.
I will be amazing. Yeah, I have no word over me, I don't know yet, I will have to find out.
And not only that, I have got several bonuses of deep issues that I had emotionally been struggling with. His approach, his knowledge, his total love of this process, and his ability to create trust has transformed my way of resoluting my obstacles.
Fabulous.
And Guido's actually shown me that change is not only possible, but change can be easy.
Tremendously. It has created a lot of joy, and the joy can be there although I have all these obstacles.
I started with this huge heaviness. It was like nothing I've actually felt before in my life. And Guido continued talking, and the only really thought that came to me, well, I just need to follow his voice. And that's what I did. And he took me out of the heaviness and into the forgiveness process. And suddenly the forgiveness was so easy. It was just like a piece of cake compared to all this heaviness.
Who should, in your opinion, go to the inner game of being happy?
Well, who shouldn't? I think it's good for everybody. In today's society, everybody needs and must have the freedom to pursue more happiness.
If you think you could be happier, and I mean, who couldn't? We can all be happier. I couldn't really recommend this enough. It was an absolutely amazing time.
I'm 59 years old, and it's about time. It's about time to, shine.